Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp calls not showing in recents on iPhone, so your WhatsApp calls appear directly in your iPhone call log without any issues. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you can control all the features and syncing options for your device. Step 2. Tap your Apple ID banner at the top of the screen. This section contains your iCloud settings and account details. Step 3. Tap iCloud. Here you'll find all the apps and services that can sync with your iCloud account. Step 4. Tap See All. This will expand the list of apps connected to iCloud. Step 5. Tap iCloud Drive. This is the service that stores and syncs app data across your devices. Step 6. Tap App Syncing to iCloud Drive. This option lets you choose which apps can sync their data with iCloud. Step 7. Toggle on WhatsApp. Enabling this ensures WhatsApp can sync properly with iCloud and your iPhone system. Step 8. If WhatsApp is already turned on, toggle it off and then back on. This refreshes the syncing process in case it wasn't working. Step 9. Go back to the main settings screen and scroll down to find WhatsApp in the app list. Step 10. Make sure WhatsApp is enabled here. This step confirms the app is allowed to use your iPhone's system features. Step 11. Close all background apps from the app switcher. This clears out running processes and ensures changes take effect. Step 12. Restart your iPhone. Restarting helps refresh the system and applies the updated settings. Step 13. Open the phone app and check your call log. You should now see your WhatsApp calls appearing in the recents list. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more simple solutions.